This was really bad, my teeth. And now I'm looking at it. I can't believe the difference I have, and it just changes my whole personality. My name is Darryl Dirksen. My teeth were so bad and I was just tired of it. I had to do something. It's either have no teeth or dentures or this, and I went with this. And my daughters were happy, and because I used my daughters a lot for support.
My dad has always been there for me, so I knew at some point in my life that I would take care of him and start helping him through things that he may not know where to go, what to do.
When I got with Glen Dental, my daughter found it on the website, and she made a call and researched it, and then she made an appointment. That's what got us coming to the Glen Dental.
We got to meet Darryl not that long ago. On our first visit, he was accompanied by his daughter. He wasn't sure if this was the right treatment or if he deserved or really needed this care.
And before I didn't have the implants, I had a hard time eating, and I had bleeding gums. I had a lot of teeth missing, and I didn't even like smiling at all.
The main concerns that Darryl was dealing with was broken teeth, missing teeth. He had several root fragments that remained in his gums. Those areas were giving him pain, and he wasn't able to chew in those areas very well.
When he's doing the surgery, you really don't know it. You wake up and he's done. Next thing you know, you're going home.
The treatment that we recommended for Darryl were dental implants and with a fixed bridge solution. We were able to resolve Darryl's treatment within 24 hours. He came in for the removal of the teeth and the placement of the implants and provide him a fixed solution the next morning.
I feel like a new person, actually. Now I can shine, it's changes your life. It really does. It builds your confidence up big time.
Yeah, so seeing him before and now him after, it's life-changing. He's much more confident. He smiles more.
The transformation that we've seen in Darryl is incredible. He's excited to see his grandkids play sports. He speaks with confidence. He likes to smile every chance he gets. It's been a complete transformation.
The bad is I was worried about getting gum disease and all that stuff, and now I don't have to worry about it. I took care of the problem, and I'm a lot healthier now for the better, and I'm really happy that I did this. My name is Darryl, and I love my dream smile by Glen Dental.